Hi friends, I hope your brain is ready to do some ideating. Before we get started, you need to make sure that you have the materials that are needed. You need your ideate and sift page, a pencil, and of course your brain. So pause the video and go and get those things if you need to. All right, I don't know about you guys, but I sure have loved our current task that we're working on. It has been so much fun learning all about different animals and their habitats and what they need to survive. We've also learned about endangered animals and things that we can do to help them. If you remember, our friends in the Wildcrats asked us if we would be willing to help an animal and how we can advocate for that animal. Do we want to make a poster, a t-shirt, a hat, maybe a commercial? There's all kinds of things that you could do to help share with others how we can help animals. So now you're going to get to take all those great ideas that are floating around in that massive brain of yours and put it on paper. The first step's always the same. I grab a pencil and write my name. Now that your name is written, you're going to come up with 1, 2, 3 awesome ideas on how you can advocate to help an animal. Make sure you draw a picture and write some words. I can't wait to hear all of the awesome ideas you guys come up with on how we can help advocate for animals in need.